Here I have Samsung Galaxy M34 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here. So what you do is you just put this tool inside the hole on the slot, slightly press it, and the slot will pop out. So here you from one side you have SD card slot, and from other side you have SIM card slot. And then you just put it like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card. So let's get it, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And there's also notification indicated that SD card inserted, which indicates that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.